Ubuntu phone in the wild. Let's have a look at it.
So what you see over here is Ubuntu running on phones. This is basically the screen when I start, right? So there you go. What you see over here is like two key things to notice. The first one is a beautiful visualization of my personal life. So it builds over time, very unique for every individual user. The other thing to notice is that there are no buttons, no hard key buttons, and no soft key buttons. And the main reason is that the whole experience is designed around the edges. So I can, for example, go to the left edge, and I can launch my favorite apps, right? So I can go to Facebook, go to Gallery, go to the camera app, for example. And from here I go to the home screen. See that? So the home screen basically has my frequently used apps, my calls, my latest content that I was using. And when I swipe sideways, I go to my contacts, I can go to music. Music I use edits, music I can download and play on this device as well. When I go to the other side, we have a screen completely dedicated to apps. So it's like my running apps, frequently used apps, all my installed apps, and the last screen is my videos. So what's really cool about Ubuntu is that we have both web apps and native apps integrated. Right? So over here, and they're like equal citizens on Ubuntu. So over here you have the Gallery, which is a native app, and over here Facebook is a web app. So for example, when I go back to the home screen, you see people over here, and Facebook is just integrated into my native phone experience, right? Go back.
Are you writing the apps, all of these apps?
So we built
canonicals to Facebook and etc.
Well, I mean, they're all web apps, right? So, right. So, for example, the Gallery app we built it now ourselves. So we designed and built it ourselves, and like we also had already a lot of interest from developers, and they want to help us building apps. So we are very confident that we can have a very good app set for our phone. So this is the Gallery.
What would you say the standout feature is?
Well, basically one of the most beautiful things is that basically interacting with the edges allows much faster interaction with the phone than what people were used to until now. So for example, when I now go, for example, to a picture, I have the picture is full screen. When I use the bottom edge now, I can reveal some controls to do something with the picture. See that? For example, edit, or for example, share. See, there you go. Share, for example, bring it back down. When I go back to the Gallery, so that's the bottom edge. So left edge is to launch apps, and basically the bottom edge is for revealing controls. When I go back, for example, to the Gallery over here, if I want to change system settings, traditionally I had to go back to the home screen to the system settings menu. It's quite cumbersome, and we use the top edge basically to have very fast access to that. So see that? It's really nice. So I go to messages, sound, networks, for example, date and time, battery. Network, for example, I can go to battery here. There you go. I can change the brightness, for example, of the screen, bring it back up, and back in my app. So super fast access to my system settings.
Great, thank you very much.